Gamification is the order of the day. More and more teachers are transferring the mechanics of games to the educational field in order to improve the assimilation of concepts, train certain skills, enhance motivation, and complement learning, among many other objectives. Capture the maximum number of stars in each unique world in this platformer adventure. It's a fun game for learning how to sequence commands, debug faulty logic, and use loops to solve problems. The programming is based on icons, with the possibility of replacing them with real Java syntax. Lightbot, Code Hour. Guide or loving friend Lightbot so he can eliminate all the blue positions on each level. This game has been especially designed to introduce the little ones to computational logic and basic programming concepts, such as the sequence of instructions, cycles, and calls to action. It is one of the most successful multi-platform apps for learning how to program by playing, with a very simple interface and the option to play online from its website. Tinker. Build your own games and animations, thanks to the step-by-step tutorials and templates include a very powerful visual language to learn how to program intuitively without the need for prior experience and where the limits are only set by your imagination. It is based on the use of simple blocks that are connected to each other to create the logic of the program. The blocks represent programming concepts that combined with each other will give life to your project.